Another month, another shakeup for Xbox Game Pass, and September 2025 is already delivering some big emotions. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech and gaming news. We're finally getting blockbuster day one launches like Hollow Knight Silksong, but alongside the hype comes the bittersweet goodbye to a few beloved titles. On September 15th, 3 fan favorites will roll out of the catalog. All You Need Is Help, Wargrove 2, and We Love Katamari Reroll and Royal Reverie. For anyone who hasn't tried them yet, now is the time to dive in or grab them permanently with a 20% discount available to Game Pass members before they leave, because each game brings something special. Wargrove 2 is the ultimate throwback for strategy fans, marrying Fire Emblem-style tactics with its own charming rock-paper-scissors combat system and distinct pixel art personality. Then there's All You Need Is Help, a quirky co-op puzzler that thrives on chaotic teamwork. If you've got a friend on the couch, it's one of the most underrated split-screen gems on the service. Finally, We Love Katamari Reroll and Royal Reverie is pure joy in motion, a remastered, polished version of the PS2 called Classic Sequel, where rolling up the world never gets old. This rolling out perfectly illustrates what makes Game Pass so fascinating and controversial in 2025. Players get day one access to massive titles like Clair Obscur Expedition 33, Blueprints, and Doom: The Dark Ages. For now though, Xbox Game Pass continues to be a playground of discovery where every month feels both like a celebration and a farewell party. The only question is, what will you play before the clock runs out? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from the gaming world.